Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Alvina Nuraziza. Today I will present my final project about determination of cost of goods manufactured at PT Gendis Multimanis. And the next slide is the presentation structure. The first abstract, the second background, the third problem formulation, and number 4 research purchase, number 5 research benefits, number 6 research findings, number 7 conclusion, and the last recommendation. Next, abstract. The primary focus of this research is the full costing method, which PT Gendis Multimanis used to determine the cost of goods manufactured. Through a thorough evaluation, I found that while the full costing method is fundamentally effective for capturing the full cost associated with production, there are areas where the cost classification process could be enhanced. The next slide is background. The plantation industry is a highly competitive sector, characterized by rapid growth and evaluating market demands. Companies like PT Gendis Multimanis must not only stay competitive but also ensure the maintain profitability and financial health. One of the critical factors for achieving this is implementing a correct and effective cost determination method. The cost of goods manufactured play a crucial role in the company's pricing strategies, profitability, and cost management efforts. And the structure number 3 is problem formulation. This research addressed the main questions that are pivotal in understanding the company's cost determination practice. First, we need to ask whether the method currently used by PT Gendis Multimanis to determination the cost of goods manufactured is the most appropriate for their needs. The second, we look at how well the company spreads its costs across different departments. The effective separation of costs can provide better insight into each department's financial performance and enable more strategic decision making. The next slide is research purchase. The research has two primary objectives that guide the difference of this study. The first is to evaluate how the full costing method is being applied at PT Gendis Multimanis. Is the full costing method effectively capturing all of the direct and indirect costs associated with production? And does it align with the company's financial and operational goals? The second objective is to assess the implementation of cost separation within the company PT Gendis Multimanis. Research benefits. The research as a combination of qualitative and quantitative method. The qualitative aspect includes interview with key stakeholders, including department head, finance manager, and production staff. These interviews provide insight into the company's current cost determination practice and any challenge they face. Additionally, direct observation were made in the company production process to better understanding how costs are incurred and tracked. Finally, document analysis were conducted on the company's financial records, reports, and cost allocation method. The next slide is research finding. The findings from this study indicate that PT Gendis Multimanis effectively used the full costing method to capture the total cost of production, including both direct and indirect costs. This method allows the company to calculate the overall cost of goods manufactured accurately. However, one key issue that lack of a systematic approach to cost classification. While the company tracks costs, the process is not structured in a way that ensures all costs are categorized appropriately. Next is conclusion. In conclusion, the study found that the full costing method is suitable for PT Gendis Multimanis and aligns well with the company goals. It captures the full cost of production and helps with overall financial planning and decision making. However, while the method itself is effective, there are areas for improvement in the company's internal cost classification process. More structured approach to classifying and separating costs would improve transparency, accuracy, and overall financial management. And the last is recommendation. Based on the findings from my research, I have two primary recommendations for PT Gendis Multimanis. First, the company should regularly review and evaluating its cost determination method to ensure that they remain effective and in line with best practice. This will help the company stay agile in response to change in the market and operational needs. Second, the company should implement more structured systems for classifying and spreading costs based on activities and cost objects. This change will enable the company to make more informed decisions, optimize its production process, and ultimately improve profitability. Thank you for watching.